Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today's song is Rock and Roll All Night by Kiss. If you like my videos, thank you. Thanks for all the wonderful feedback and response, and like and subscribe to my channel, okay? So this song, to begin with, is tuned down a half a step. D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp again. Everything's tuned down one step, basically. So to start the song out, you go down, you bar the 10th fret, so you're gonna bar the 10th fret. You're gonna play 10 on the A, E and the A, the D and the G string here. You're just gonna bar those with your third finger. You're going to hit that twice. From there, you're going to go up to this D chord, which is going to be still barred on the 10th fret. You're going to have 12, 12, and 11 on the G string. Down, 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 down. Down, up, I guess. Down, 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 up. Then it goes up to the A chord, which is starts the song basically. So when they played this, they played all 6 strings. You get that nice full rock and roll sound. And from this A chord, you're gonna bar the 5th fret, 7, 7, 6 on the G string. Then you're gonna slide down to this E chord. But you're not just gonna play these strings here. I like to throw the E string in there. So bar the entire 7th fret, lay your finger across the D, G, and B strings. So when Kiss played this, I'm almost positive this is how they did it. One of the guitar players was doing this E chord, doing this. And I think the other one, I think Paul Stanley probably, was because he was singing, they wanted to play something different. He played this like a Keith Richards Rolling Stones part for that, over this. So when I play it, I do this. I just think it sounds like both chords, but so that's the first 2 chords to it. Then you're going to slide, after you do that, you're going to slide up here to this D chord, which is the 5th fret. D, E, back down to the 12th, 10th, and the 12th fret. And that's the next part. And that's going to be on the 8th fret. It's going to have that little blues ticker with your pinky here. You're going to go 8th fret on the A string, 10th fret on the D string. And you're going to take your little finger and you're going to touch it and pull off on the 12th fret here. And you're going to slide it up 2 frets to the 10 and the 12 and do the same thing. And that's about all there is to it. If you learn those basic chord progressions, you can put them together and play the entire song. I encourage you to learn the song from beginning to end and play along with something on YouTube where you can play along with the song. It's tuned down a fret. It's basically those chords. There's no lead to it, so it's a nice, easy beginner song. It's great to learn how to play bar chords. And I always like to play all the strings on the chords. I got that big, thick sound. So hopefully this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments or suggestions for songs to learn in the future. Thank you and have a good day.